Hi guys, this video is to show you how to set an alarm on the LG Sports Watch. That's an Android Wear 2.0 watch, and I have found out that it's not super easy to find a good alarm for this watch, especially when it comes to repeated alarms, like when you want to set up an alarm for every day during the week. So there's a default alarm from Google on the watch. I think it was already on the watch, but it didn't work really well. So I'm going to show you a little bit later on. So I went to the marketplace, and when I googled for alarm, Android Wear 2.0 alarm, it came up with this alarm for Android Wear, Nifa Studio, and yeah, it looked really good. I mean, at least not too bad. Reviews were good. Picture looked good. But I have found out it was not compatible with the LG Sports Watch. It says tested with LG G Watch, LG G Watch R, and lots of others, and but it doesn't support obviously the LG Sports Watch, which is the my based on my opinion, it's the best Android Wear 2.0 watch, or at least the most complete Android Wear 2.0 watch. So yeah, when you go down a little bit, the problem is it's not compatible. So I scrolled a little bit down, and I found the same thing. I mean, it looks really similar. It has the same name, comes with the same price, but this is compatible with the LG Sports Watch. Can't remember where I have seen that, but you can check for compatibility before you install. And yeah, it brought me to this app. The problem is the other app, which is compatible with the most of other watches, it has more functionality. You can even set up an alarm online, like on your Google Calendar, and then it will be synced automatically. Here it doesn't sync. I don't know why they have these completely different apps. I mean, they are not completely different. They look very similar, but at the end, this one has less functionality, but it works. It seems to work with the LG Sports Watch. So here you can see some of the pictures. I think. Why doesn't it show? Yeah, here you see some of the pictures, but I will show you the functionality live. At least I'm trying to. So that's it, and it's a paid app. It costs 99 cents, and the pricing thing is, it does not come with really good reputation. The reviews are really mixed. 3.3, it only has 3 reviews, and yeah, the average is not really good. So let's move on to the live part. I'm trying to switch now to the camera. Hope that will work. Okay, so here we are. Here's the watch, and so of course I have to enter the pattern again. And so let's move on to the standard alarm. Here you can see the standard alarm from Google. So you can use your wheel here to set your time, but of course you can also turn this wheel when you want to set the minutes. I mean, first you start with the hours, and then you go to the minutes. You have to press here, and then you select the minutes, and of course you have to select AM, PM. You confirm here. You set if you want to have like an audio alarm or just the vibration, and you can set it to different days, but you see it's a little bit difficult. Of course, I'm now working through the camera, but even in real it's pretty difficult. I mean, not very convenient. It has, even apart from that, it has two major flaws. Now it doesn't focus anymore for some reason. Come on. Okay, so it has a problem. When you let's set this alarm and then go back to the alarm, and then you see it, and you see there is nothing where you can deactivate this alarm. Like if you have it, you need it for 1 week, and let's say the next week you don't need it anymore, or you just go on holiday, you don't need your alarm anymore, you don't want to delete it, you just want to deactivate it, and that's a problem. You can't do that. There's nothing to deactivate. Don't know why it has so much problem with the focusing now. It has there's nothing to deactivate. You can just delete it here and it's gone, and then you have to reset it. And the other thing is, when you work with the theater mode, like here during the night, so usually I'm having this turned on, the theater mode, so that nothing is being displayed and I can't press anything. So the problem is that the alarm doesn't show up on the screen in the morning. You first have to press a button, so then the alarm shows on the screen, and then you can swipe and confirm that you have seen the alarm. So let's go to the alarm which I just bought now. That's the one here for 99 cents. And here you can see that's quite different thing. It has some disadvantages. It has like a little bit small letters. You can see sometimes even with glasses it's a little bit hard to see. If your eyes are still good, then it's no problem. I haven't found anything to make these letters a little bit larger. I would prefer that. So, but apart from that, the good thing is let's set a new alarm. It's a little bit, you have to get used to that. It's not super easy. So you press, no, that wasn't it. So you press on the plus sign, and then you set like a time, and then you have to go to the right side. You pick the days which you want, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That works much better than with the Google thing. And you can select a pattern for vibration, and you can also select normal shake, different shakes, and single vibration and such things. There's much more you have many more options than with the Google alert. So that is, and it's much easier to enter, like especially the days. And the very good thing is, so if you go back, it should be here. You see it's at the bottom. So you can see now, if you press on the blue sign, it turns gray. That means the alert is turned off, and you don't have to delete it. You can just deactivate and reactivate. So it shows you also it doesn't show a next alert. So for the other alerts which are still active, you see a next alert. That's really good. That tells you when the next alert will be. So here obviously there's no next alert. When I activate again, there will be a next alert, so that's really good. And additionally, another good thing is I have experienced that even when I had this in theater mode, it was showing on the display, so you can snooze it or you can totally stop it. So that's a big advantage. So at the end, I like this much more compared to the original Google alert, even when it's not connected to your Google Calendar. So yeah, that's it for now. I mean, yeah, I can easily delete it, of course. There's no confirmation. Maybe I can set the confirmation, I don't know. So there are some minor flaws, but at the end I think this is way better than the Google alarm. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always trying to help. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.